sa England.
Morning.
Welcome to another vlog. So, nandito kami ngayon sa aming sasakyan. Of course, it's in the car, yeah.
Of course.
Pupunta kami sa Okay-Okay. We go by Okay-Okay, yeah.
Okay, oo.
Yeah, second hand shop. Kasi yun lang ang kaya namin. Mahirap kami sa buhay. Ayan, taghirap ngayon. So, mag-Okay-Okay.
But the money goes to the charity, St.
Yeah.
Paul's Hospital.
So, ayan guys, let's go.
Oh man, yeah. It does it automatically now.
I know. So, let's go sa Okay-Okay.
Okay. Tapas na.
Yeah. Ay, sarap ng hangin.
You're hanging.
No, the hangin, the wind.
Yeah.
You said I'm going to speak Ilonggo so that you can
Sige.
learn, yeah?
Tagalog, I said, but
Oh, Tagalog. Ilonggo, Tagalog.
sige.
So, malakat kita sa Okay-Okay.
Cebuano?
No, Ilonggo.
Ah. Okay. Oh.
Okay-Okay.
Oh, the second-hand clothing shop.
Yes. Ayan, ito yung magandang bahay dito. Bago. Ayan, super nice. Yeah. I think it's a mini festival, this one.
Yeah.
I think it's like a family camping.
Looks like kind of traveller company.
Yeah, it's like a
Maybe
family.
they're just travellers settling in the field.
Yes.
I saw a taxi who was looking for that place yesterday. But it was
Is
shut.
it? What is it? Can you stop? Oh.
Maybe the next one.
Yeah. Oh well. Ayan, doon mayroon nagka-camping. So, siguro mga friends and family lang kasi. Excited kami makakita ng nagka-camping kasi we love camping, don't we?
Next week we are going to camping in a 1980s rewind festival.
Rewind,
Rewind
yes.
to the 1980s.
So next week, this weekend.
Yeah.
This
With
coming.
pop stars Nick Kershaw, Human League, Toya, Wow, and many more.
So ayan, excited siya. Kasi gagala na naman kami sa next week. So,
You know Katie Price, man,
yeah.
Jordan.
She's
You know that
there.
husband before, the famous one.
What's his name?
Oh, I forgot. He's singing there as well at that festival.
Yeah, I it's in my head.
Mm.
It's like a...
He's quite handsome face, like looks like Greek,
Yeah. I know what you mean. Yeah.
like George Michael a bit.
So, he's singing there.
Yeah.
So, you excited to see him.
Not really. I'm just trying to see the punk, some of the punk ones.
Huh? The fun.
Punk and ska.
Oh, and plus it's cooler now, yeah?
Yeah.
Plus, few weeks is very hot here. Grabe ang init dito. So,
28 degrees still, man.
yeah, but...
Last few days it's mid-30s.
Yeah. Ayan o, yung ano, puro na brown. It's all like yellow-ish.
It's like the
The field.
Kindle box.
Yeah. So, ayan, malapit na kami sa Okay-Okay. Yung Okay-Okay dito guys is bibili ka, pagkatapos ang pera ay mapupunta sa charity. Ganito yung Okay-Okay dito sa amin. So, maganda siya kasi napupunta siya sa mga charities. So, ayan na malapit na. So, ayan.
And have a little swim over there in the island.
So, after this one, we're going to Kiling Island.
First we go to town to the creation.
Ay. Magpapayad pala kami ng aming mga utang.
Look in the home discount store and great.
Kasi ngayon na kami
We're close, aren't we?
Yeah, it's on that side, isn't it? I think, here.
Chidham.
Yes, ayan na. Dito na kami, guys.
Parking space.
Yes, ayan o. St. Wilford.
I bet you went young stupid in that one.
Yes. Hindi ko alam, guys, kung pwede mag-vlog dito. So, tingnan lang natin.
It's the one in
Ayan, cushion. Ayan, guys. Ayan, may mga ano dito. Sapatos.
Nice boots. Yeah.
The white one. No, I don't wanna wear that. Ayan, ang gaganda ng mga sapatos. Ayan, ano kaya ito? Ayan, 5 pounds isa. Ayan. Ang tataas. Ayan. Ito, dito. Maghahanap ako ng, hindi ko alam, palda. No. What is that? It's up to you. So ito yung, ayan, mga baso. Did you get any? I don't have one because it's a candle
Rock
now.
salt. Oh.
Candle holder, but it's a rock. So yeah, it
Rock
looks like a salt. Yeah. Maybe he put candle in. Did you find any interesting?
Not really.
Ayan, ito. Parang mantila. Ay, hindi. Ayan.
It's a nice factory here, Pam.
Oh yeah. I can afford at the moment. Ayan, mga sapatos. Ito, magkano? 6 pounds. H&M. Pero maliit lang siya. Ito maganda. Ayan, anong pangalan? River Island. Ayan, magkano kaya ito? Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Pang jeans. Ito. So, ayan guys. Abubot yung binili namin. Wala kasing size sa aking yung pantalon. So, wala akong binili. Yung binili, ay! Binili ni Joy ito. Can you show them? Tapos, gin.
Room for gin. It goes with our other red belt.
And then,
Forgot what the other one says.
this is for my feet.
Massage.
Massager. Ayan, yun ang binili niya. Kasi, ano daw yun sa bar niya. Ayan. Balik tayo sa kotse. Yeah, so hot. Oh, you didn't bring my water?
What did
No.
I forget? What I think that.
Yes, you are.
Oh,
So, ayan. Where are we going now?
Creation.
Okay, punta kami ng Caris kasi may babayaran kami doon. Ayan.
Oh, that's open late. Can we go first to Home Discount Store?
Okay, sa home discount daw. Ayan. So, ayan. We're going to Caris.
Chichester. Yeah.
Chichester. Ayan, guys. Let's go, let's go.
The wood makers, is it?
Roof maker.
Rope makers, yeah.
Rope maker.
Like the one in Chichester where we went with Paulina.
Yeah. So,
This will close for the festival.
andito kami ngayon sa Chichester Change Plan. Papunta kami ng, ayan yung ayan, yung town. Ayan. So, pupunta kami ng Mark and Spencer na lang. At ako'y nagugutom, nanginginig ako sa gutom. Anong oras na? Mag-alas
Gutom.
4. Mag-alas 5 na.
Gutom.
Ano lang kinain ko? Isang perasong, how you call this one?
Gutom.
Bread and sausage. Yun lang kinain ko.
Tinapay sa sausage.
So, gutom na gutom ako guys. Ako'y nanginginig. Baka magka-rice. O how you call that one? Blood sugar. It's not good. So, ayan.
Okay.
Pupunta kami ng Mark and Spencer, bibili ng pagkain. Kakain dito sa sasakyan kasi makamura ka.
Marks and Spencer's not cheap. It's a premium supermarket.
I know, but instead of eating
Restaurant.
yeah, in a restaurant. Ayan. Pero mas yung pagkain doon, mas premium, 'di ba? Masarap. Ayan. Primera klase. Ayan.
They have in Manila, don't they, Marks and Spencer's?
Yeah. So, pupunta kami doon, bibili kami na makakain muna at ako'y gutom na gutom na. So, ayan. Ayan, doon guys. Dito kami muna at para isa na lang, magbabayad kami ng utang. No. So, hindi ko alam kung pwede mag-vlog doon sa Mark and Spencer, pero we're here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just here, love.
No. No entry. Next one. Mozambique.
Ayan. Here.
Yeah, I know. I realise.
Oh, that one there. There. So, ayan guys, nandito na. Park, tapos papasok. Di ko
You're
alam
safe.
kung ano.
I don't sleep well.
Oh, sorry. So, ayan, hindi ko, kung pwede tayo mag-vlog dito. So, ayan guys, ang gaganda ng mga bulaklak. Ayan. Beautiful. Ay, ang ganda. Ayan. Ang gaganda nila. So what you got there, Joe?
Oh, these look nice.
Chocolates. Yeah.
So,
We didn't get one
Five
thingy
puzzles.
for Barry. A gift for Barry. Can you get me one of those, Han? Salt and pepper or cheese? Cheese, extremely cheese. Yeah. Okay, let's go. So, ayan na guys. At pupunta kami ng counter. So, ayan guys, magbabayad na kami. At kukuha muna ako dito ng wala silang they don't have that spoon thingy.
no.
Let me ask.
Yeah.
So, wala. Ayan. Dito tayo magbabayad. Meron akong donuts. Joe?
Yeah.
Can I have it? Meron kaming drinks na lemonade. Crisp. Ayan. At saka egg. Ayaw. Han, this one can't don't. Joe,
Stop food.
it won't. You do my.
Can you enter the numbers?
I don't know how to do that.
That's the man.
Ayan, balik ako guys kasi ayaw diba? Dito. Kasi ito, sale sila, sale. Ayan, ganyan. Hi.
Here, enter barcode.
No. Yeah. Yeah. So, ayan, finish and pay. Card.
Don't forget. Please tap or insert your
Ayan,
card on
13 pounds lang. Ayan. You get the receipt.
Payment.
No receipt.
It's coming.
Ah,
You got any coupons?
okay. Got it. Let's go. Yan, ito yung pinamili namin, guys.
Oh, you didn't use your card.
I did.
Just here your Max
No, I
Spencer's.
didn't because it's too trouble that to pay. Let's go. At kukuha ako dito ng this one.
I'd say Mafan man.
Sabad.
But
Sabad. Yeah. Ayan na. So, ayan na guys. At ako'y gutom na. So, to the car. Ay, Diyos ko. So, ayan. Sa gutom. Gutomers. Ayan. Can you take that out? I put the drinks here.
sige.
Ayan. Ayan, mainit pa dito sa napistuhan namin. Diyos ko, nagugutom ako. Do you want one that?
I'll switch the aircon off. No.
Yeah, just get that one. Why you don't want?
You haven't changed the
Ayan.
engine.
Kasi, kung kakain kami sa labas, ito is only 11 something, yeah? Pounds or 13. I don't
11
remember.
something. 11.69.
So, kung
I believe.
bibili ka, isang kainan lang yun. At magkano yun? If we go to Kokoro, is maybe 12 pounds, yeah? More.
Yeah. Itlog mayonnaise.
So, mas mahal doon, guys. So, ito muna, tsaga-tsaga muna dahil walang pera.
And you
Kahit-
can't finish all, I think.
Yeah. And then, tapos yung iba, pwede pang
manok.
gamitin next time. Itlog.
Manok, tomatoes,
This one. That's
and I don't know how to say basil.
Ayan, guys.
How to say basil in Ilonggo?
Hang on. What's butter in Ilonggo?
Maybe the same basil.
No. It's in my head. Holy basil. Ayun, I forgot.
Oh,
So hungry.
not for EU. Why they can't have it in the EU?
I don't know. It's egg.
Yeah. Maybe they got a different standard.
Ayan, kain ka muna kami, guys. So, ayan guys, meron ako ditong chicken and tomato basil. Ayan. Oh, the tomato is, the basil is kaluoy.
Manok, sa tomatoes, sa bulupoy.
Kaluoy.
Kalupoy.
No. I think it's kaluoy. I think so.
Kalupoy.
Ayan guys, kain tayo. Masarap. My favorite.
Tuesday is 40% chance of rain.
So creamy. Ang sarap niya. There's a ring donuts there.
No thanks. I'm not a donut person. Oh no.
Saka we have some lemonade. Ayan, cloudy. Diet.
Next week the festival is rain. the only days in 2 months it's gonna rain.
Oh my God. So we're gonna get that poncho then
Hang on, that's Chichester.
tomorrow.
That's Chichester. I'll check Henley on Thames.
Ayan, nakuha na yung gutom ko guys. Pero nanginginig pa rin ako. Nga naman ang alas 5 na wala. Hindi pa rin kumain. Last ko na kain. Ang unang kain ko is today, ano yun, alas 12.
Not in Henley. It's sunny and cloudy.
Yeah. Alas 12
Sunny
ng
intervals.
tanghali. Pagkatapos, ayan, mag alas 5.
Oh, only 21 degrees. That's good.
Ayan, sobrang ang sarap nito. Minsan gagawa ako nito. Kasi super sarap siya.
No, thanks, man. Oh, I like that top.
Yeah, I have that one.
Is that t-shirts in England?
No, you wear that last time.
Oh, cool.
You wear that when you went to Adrian Pool Harbor.
Oh, right. No, I didn't. I wear the other one with the yellow.
No, you wear that. I can't remember. Maybe. It's in here, I know. I know it's in the Philippines.
Oh, no way. Why you leave everything in Philippines?
Because I don't know if you're taking that back.
Yeah, of course. He's
So,
smiling.
ayun, ha?
And the bee is smiling. Look.
Yeah. So, ayan guys, meron pa akong ditong coronation coleslaw. Kakainin namin ito mamaya sa dinner namin mamaya with the roast chicken. I harap na for the roast chicken. At meron pang natirang egg mayonnaise. Ayan. So, nakakasave ka talaga. Saka maganda yung pagkain dito sa Marks and Spencer. Tapos meron pang donuts. O, kung kumain kami sa labas, how much is that? The kukuro, the Japanese one. Maybe 15 pounds. Oh, pagkatapos nyon, kukunti lang. Wala nang natira. Ito, 2 araw pa itong donut. Oh, di ba? Yan, ganyan pag nag-save ng pera, guys. Pag kumain ka ng McDonald's, I think if we go to McDonald's, at least 20 pounds, yeah? Each or more. I mean, 10 pound each or more. So, it's 20 pounds. Ayan, ito, 11 pounds. Marami pang natira. Kain tayong donut. Premium pa yung pagkain. Marks and Spencer. Yeah? So, kahit na magkuripot ako, at least masarap yung pagkain, di ba? Meron pa ako, magnanood ako mamaya ng TV. Di ba? So, magkakaris kami. Yan o. Magpahid si Joe sa computer. Kasi pwede kang umutang ng wala siyang interest. No interest, yeah. You paid for 1 year. Ayan. So, kailangan bago mag 1 year, mababayaran na siya. So, ayun. Kaya, punta kami doon. Kasi on November, kailangan bayad na siya. This one is good because it's not much sugar. Hindi siya maraming sugar. Kukunti lang yung sugar. At saka baked yung baked siguro to, or I think it's baked. I'm not sure. But it's so good. Ayan, may tinapay pa ako natira. Pwede pa itong kainin bukas ng lunch namin. Or later, we're gonna eat this for fishing.
Okay.
Hey! See? Ayan.
Afternoon tea.
Yes. Afternoon tea is already 5 o'clock, my love. Or you can have, tapos meron pang mga ano, ayan. Kasi libre doon. Pag may pagkain, libre kang kumuha doon. So, nilalagay ko yan dito sa, ano, para minsan pag may take away. Ay, I can't resist. Ayan, oh. Ang sarap-sarap nito, guys. I can't resist. Pero mamaya na. Siguro dadalhin. Dadalhin namin. Baka mag-beach kami mamaya. Mag-fishing si Joe.
Well, it's amazing, isn't it? The detail on the beach.
Oh, excuse me. So, ayan guys. See you later.
Look, you got teeth on the beach.
So, ayan guys. Diyan. Kami pupunta sa Caris. Magbabayad si Joe. May clearance daw. Tingnan natin. Oh, the watch.
You never used that one.
I know I have. Save 39.
Fitbit.
Yeah. I look first for the telephone. There. Ayan, tingnan natin yung mga telepono, guys. This is Google, the one.
That's the old, my old phone.
Yeah. Galaxy 700. 800. Yeah. Joe, look. Is it folding?
Yeah, that's the
Like yours?
yeah, but it folds. Mine is
Oh.
the flip, but this one folds like that. So it's like goes like a little.
No,
tap.
don't buy that again. Yeah, 1,149.
Is that the same one? The other way around.
Yeah, this one
of us
yours.
Ultra.
This one yours.
Yeah. You buy me one of these, Ben?
No. That's a muffin one. Samsung. This one is 500, huh?
Yeah. How much is this one?
Oh, this one is 300.
Oh, this one is £2,000.
Yeah, I know this is 300. 2,000 pounds. Oh my God, hey. Unit. This one with SIM card. Oh, only unit. Only this.
£649. No, that's a watch.
Where?
That's a watch.
Oh, God, I didn't
That's
see
the
that.
phone.
Okay.
Look, this one you can't see any line.
Yeah, but when you keep doing it, and then you will be. So, ito dito, ang mamahal pa rin ng ano, ng
Yeah,
telephone.
£59.
No more. That's
Oh.
why it's gone.
£89.
Yan ang mahal. This is the one I suppose I gonna take one, but it's gone already.
Yeah. Oh no.
Yeah.
These are all 89.
Oh,
That's three.
how come that it's 100 only?
This is A16.
But it's still good. Galaxy. I'm going to get one of these. And that one 69. Yeah, still a good phone. Look.
Should we go and sort out your creation?
Yeah, okay. Magbayad muna daw kami. So. Ayan guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa bargain shop. Tawag dito bargain shop. Ayan, nakapamili na ako. Kasi mura lang dito guys. Ayan. Tingin-tingin lang. Mura dito kaysa ibang sa ibang department store dito. Ayan. So, ayan. Tingin-tingin muna tayo kung ano ang maganda. So, ayan. Hindi siya tawag nito, hindi siya good quality pero okay na rin siya. kumpara sa ano, kasi ito oh, pag sa supermarket, yan 99. Pag sa supermarket, ano na yan siya, mga £2.50 na. So mura dito, mura. Ayan, what you got, Joe?
Windbreaker privacy screen.
Yes.
I was thinking, Dan, you know, I got those posts I used to bang the vegetable garden.
Yeah.
I could use those and then that weed fabric, the black stuff, the long one, and make windbreaker.
I don't know.
Just clip it together.
So I don't know, Joe. Maybe you try. So shall we now?
Yeah.
That's all we want. Ayan guys, meron sila dito mga anik-anik yan, no? Mura lang. Merong 99, ganyan. Ayan. So, mura lang sila. Pero, ayan. Katulad niyan, yung L'Oreal. Dito is $3.99. Pag sa iba na yan, mahal na yan. Mga aabot na yan ng 5 to 6 pounds. Kaya, tinatawag dito. What's called? Bargain?
It's only 99p, but you think it's heavy enough?
Yeah. I can't. My hands is full.
They're very heavy.
Ayan. So, ayan. Mura lang siya, guys. Ayan. Meron dito silang mga
It's all Halloween stuff now, Ban.
yeah, I
Some
know.
stuff's gone
I know.
already.
So, ayan. Mga cream. Ayan o. Mura. So, let's go. So, what did you buy, Han?
2 of these windbreakers. So now we got 4.
You got 4
we got-
already? No, I thought
got-
it's only we have 3.
We got one with the one we got
yeah,
the poles
yeah.
for, and one that works. We need 2. This is a big space,
Yeah.
and we can always use them.
And
This is so you can get them up into the camper van.
yeah, because you break the other one. You got the mallet.
Timmy mallet. Some more pegs because they always bend when they hit stones. And some sealant to seal the kitchen sink.
Yeah. So how much is that?
£33.
33 pounds. Mine is, ayan, meron akong 9 pounds something. 9 pounds. So meron akong dalawang cotton pads.
Some shower gel.
Yeah, I have the D3K.
This is for the bath.
Yeah. I have this B12. Ayun, panghugas. Ayan, tsaka, ayan, lahat yan is £9.30. £9.30. Let's see. £9.83, sorry. £9.83. Plus the 11 pounds. So I spent 20 something.
20.
Yeah, pounds today.
Oh yeah, that's your Marks and Spencer's lunch.
Yeah. So ayan guys, I spent 20 pounds today.
Yeah, so far.
So far, yes. Ayan, uwi on time.
It's such a shame they closed our home base.
Which one?
This one, that's the only big DIY store, isn't it?
Do you like that, do you?
Yeah, I don't know why they closed it. Good for DIY and gardening stuff.
Ayan guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you all very much. God bless. Bye.